What's up, guys? This is Austin with He-manTreeService. It's a cold day.
Loading up the brush on the flatbed trailer. You watch YouTube? Thank you, Scott. Guy at the golf course. He's real cool. It's snowing, guys. What do you think? Asking what am I doing? First, I'm untangling this rope. So I'm just taking this rope, using it as a runner. Go underneath the branches. What's up, guys? This is Austin with He-manTreeService. This is He-manTreeService Crew. Today we're going to be pulling down a white ash tree. Guys, this isn't a rigging line, so this is just a climb line. We're just using it to knock down this ash tree, put a little tension in it. Just doing a basic pie, good cut, good, nice and clean. Okay, and we're gonna want to go that way. Josh had this tree done before I even got here today. I felt like a lazy boss.
It's that big tree right there.
Pressure. We are using my 391 with the skip tube, 25-inch biscuit. Here it comes, 3, 2, 1. And no barber chair. Woo! Now that's some hard wood. Hi guys, today we are going to look at a white pine. Alright, so this was very much alive, but it had a lot of decay, and it's very, very, very nice wood. The vascular system is still wet. Look at that, at the start of the video, it was snowing. We got Wyoming weather. Alright, let's look at the stump. Alright. Well, that tree was pretty healthy.